Cheers to actually finally fucking winning a comp. Do you let Diddy pipe you, but every time he throws a stroke, you get 100 bans?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah?
I do it for free.
How many
For
strokes?
free?
Hydrate, then picks up a White Claw.
Spike planted.
What was the black guy playing?
Whoa.
B?
Whoa.
Come A, come A.
What?
Come.
He's right here. Swing me.
Oh.
Swing me.
Wait.
Whoa. Ryan.
Swing me. I need everyone to fucking swing me.
Anything.
600 followers. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.